The Open is upon us. CrossFitters around the world nervously wait. They might be a lone savage in their garage, some fire breather in a box, a chump who's up for a challenge.
You are about to put your fitness to the test. Step out of the box and into the competitive arena. All year you put in the time, the grind, the sacrifice, the sweat equity into increasing your fitness potential.
Our Athlete continues to empower the performance of athletes around the world with our warm-up series.
The warm-ups will prepare you neurologically, metabolically, and mentally. We will attack limiting factors holding you back from achieving peak performance. Each week, we reverse engineer the open WOD and deliver you a tailored warm-up. Videos to demonstrate each movement and a little game day motivation.
Don't go into the ring cold. Get your mind right, get your body right, and most importantly, get your warm-up right.